Stir pbreak and C returns a pointer to the first occurrence of one of any of the characters you are looking for. First off, stir pbreak stands for string pointer break. Let's say you are looking for L in the string hello. Char star S1 equals the string hello. Char star S2 equals the string L. Char star res equals calling stir pbreak on S1 and the search string being S2. L is obviously in the string hello, so res is now a pointer to the character L in the string hello. For the next example, let's say we are making sure that a sample password has at least one number character in it. So S1 will be our sample password, and S2 will be every number character from 0 through 9. Since our simple password, suckish though it might be, has a number in it, res will now be a pointer to the first number character in the password. What happens in the other case where we don't find what we're looking for? Let's take out the number characters from our sample password and see what happens. It turns out if stir pbreak does not find what it's looking for, then stir pbreak returns null. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.